superstars, it's Mary with Starry Ridge. To see the first part of this video, head on over to Instagram at mary.crony. Okay, you guys, so I normally don't like working horses on gravel, but it is just so muddy. You gotta do what you gotta do to get these guys in shape and going well. And basically all my footage that I got earlier didn't capture because I didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording, so I did get a small clip of me just sitting on his back earlier in the muddy round pen. So I'm going to lunch him some out here, really get him to work, get him to thinking, so I hope you guys enjoy this. As you guys can see, I was having some technical difficulties with my equipment yesterday, and for some reason it froze right here, and the rest of the video is just this frozen scene of me. So, sorry about that. So just sitting here trying to fix my video so I can get it uploaded to YouTube for you guys. And it is taking forever. Hopefully it won't take this long to actually upload to YouTube. This is just the saving process. So yeah, we're doing that. We're eating us some lunch, watching us some YouTube, eating us some lunch, and I just working. As you can see, I got a little bit of it mowed, but didn't get it all done. Let's go down here so you guys can see my lawnmower. We're gonna try using this rug to get it unstuck, but I already was using a old-time comforter of mine, but that was not working, so we're gonna try this rug. If that doesn't work, might have to call some friends. There goes my little baby bear. Call some friends over, see if they can help me get this bad boy unstuck. And the mowing of the pasture will have to wait until it dries out a little bit more. And yes, I need to fix all this fence. It's on my to-do list, you guys. So, here's the lovely little lawnmower. Alrighty, I'm gonna get off here and try to get this pushed out.